If you have any brain before I finish this program, you can take that down. You don't take it down, you're finished. We'll take it down anyway. You're finished. People will hear your story. You will see. They are even the mad people everywhere. The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, where are you calling from? And give me your name.
My name is Jpac, the leader of Ijele.
Thank you very much. Please go ahead. From Lagos.
I'm calling from Lagos State.
Wonderful.
I'm calling from Lagos State, sir. The situation at stake right now, I live in Vestac, and one of it is shut down. Apple Junction is shut down, and towards also the expressway Sele by Sele Expressway also is totally shut down. And the funny part of it is that Yoruba people, they use 20 feet container to block the left, right, center. We are singing, God punish Tinubu, God punish Buhari, God punish Amechi. They were singing it as national anthem. And this is totally false, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Wefula. Thank you very, very much for that. Thank you. Things are happening on the ground. Things are happening. And one idiot putting up poster talking rubbish, talking nonsense. You want to be popular? We are going to make you popular. This is the telephone number from AK in Udi. The same AK that have been serving white people from time. They have been serving the British colonial. Now they are serving Fulani. Her number is 080-33-412-660. I repeat, the number of the CD is 080-33-412-660. Please find her and with her. And let me see that poster tomorrow morning. Then you will see what will happen. If you may. Your name and where you are.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to you, my dear brother. Please, your name and where you are.
My name is Mr. Gochuku. I'm calling from Lagos.
From Lagos? Which part of Lagos are you in?
Yes, sir. Airport, go.
What is happening? What is happening there?
Total shutdown. Everywhere is blocked. No movement.
So it is better for all airlines to suspend flights into Lagos. It is better for airlines to suspend flights into Lagos because there's no movement.
People going to the airport, they are just carrying their luggage on their head.
Very good.
All the way.
Better for them. That is what the revolution is all about. Yes. Thank you very much. It's shut down around the airport. Thank you very much. You did very well, my dear brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much for that. This number is 080-33-412-660. If you're writing such nonsense, don't put the government of Enugu State. Don't add them there. They didn't send you. Enugu State government never asked you to do this. You are publishing, trying to tarnish the image of flavor, and these are cultural icons. If you don't have any respect, you know what it means? These are cultural icons. To us, this is our own Bob Marley. To us, this is our own what's his name again? Sir Paul McCartney. To us, these are the people at the pinnacle of art. And you're putting their picture and you're trying to insult them. You are trying to insult them. You are trying to insult them. These are icons, if you don't know. If you don't have respect for them, that means you don't have respect for creativity. This is Fino and Flavor you're talking about. Don't insult them. You cannot insult them. Mad with his horse hair, with her horse hair, as you say. You are looking for one Alamajiri to perhaps marry you as a 10th wife. Hi, the number is 080-33-412-660. She must be taught a lesson of her life. She's a fool. I'm live on air. Soon I will finish. let me, I will ask Enugu to tell me if that poster is still there. I will not only deal with you, I will deal with the company that made this. The printing press that printed this rubbish will be dealt with. They can never do business in Enugu again. People are dying. When SARS was killing young men and women, did you write any rubbish? No, you didn't. It is to try and make people believe that you are a human being. You are a very, very foolish woman. I don't like when I say do not call.
You know why I allowed the whole clip to play? I could have stopped where Joseph Chinedu Ebuna, the one we call Jpac. I would have stopped when his call ended, but he recorded that, used these graphics, posted it on his YouTube channel, and left it there. How did I get the video? It was when he was bragging with it. You know, he was bragging to some people who love Nnamdi Kanu the most. Then the thing came out. That clip, if you play Nnamdi Kanu's judgment, you would hear when the judge made reference to it, because it was two back-to-back calls. They mentioned that one was one Ijele Ugu. We don't know who is Ijele Ugu, if it's even a real name, but at least we know this one of Jpac. Jpac, please stop sending people to call me. If you love yourself, hand yourself over to the DSS. Go answer your warrant. Your time has started ticking. It has been ticking before, but it's hastened from the moment Nnamdi Kanu was pronounced an international terrorist. So I don't know if you are still in China. Start wrapping up whatever you are doing there. Come back here, submit yourself to the DSS, because if they come for you, it will be worse. At least this one now, you submit yourself, you may likely get bail. I'm just trying to explain it to you. You may likely get bail, but if they call you, you didn't come, or they come for your arrest, it will be the worst case scenario. So all these calls you are sending people to call me, tonight I play the course, I record everything. Once it's you people like you, I must record it, because you people have a way of denying whatever you did. So stop sending people to call me. My job is to make sure that I follow you, know your whereabouts, and inform the authorities, because we can't afford to have terrorists moving around. Now, start calling those your politicians you're bragging with. I want to know who will try to save you. Make I know whether the person no go answer the law. I mean, I know. If you notice, I no make noise about and for long. I no talk anything. So hand yourself over. If not, if they come for you, go worse. You no go like yourself if they come for you. If you overstay that China, we go Chinese embassy there. Of course, you know them now. You are government to government. They will bring you come back. You are already in the court record. You are already on the court record. Sorry. Okay. So you are part of the judgment. You like this now. Now the snake will use mouth, biting down the use tail catch you. Once again, it's my duty to make sure that the law takes its course. Maybe the rest will learn from you. Delete all your pages if you like. You must go to jail. You are a terrorist.